Let's look at the map and find the safe, all right? I'll get it. Hey! Get out of my pocket, freak nasty. I'll get it. Okay. Here's Rigby's, and here we are in the storage room, and I figure I'm standing right about here where my thumb is. Okay, where am I standing? You're right by my thumb. Look, now I'm on the other side of your thumb. You're on the other side of intelligence. Now hush so I can find the safe. Okay, it says safe right here, or sofa. You say sofa one more time. All right. Well, the safe should be right over here. Kenan, I don't know too much about safes, but I think this would be classified as a walk. I'm aware of that, but the map says the safe should be here. Well, maybe you read the map wrong. I did not read the map wrong. It said it should be right here.